Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your composition and assets so you can remove transparency cleanly. Import your footage and any PNGs that claim an alpha channel, then confirm the source alpha in the project panel. Create a composition that matches resolution and frame rate. This avoids resampling issues. Turn on the alpha channel view to see transparency alone. Next, add your layers in order and solo the layer you plan to modify. This gets you into the first actionable step without lost time. Now you extract and clean the alpha. Apply Keylight 1. 2. When you have a green or blue background, sample the background with the screen color eyedropper. If you need a custom alpha, use Remove Color Matte or Extract Luminance and convert to alpha. Once done, switch to Screen Matte and adjust Clip Black/White, then add Matte Choker and refine Edge to soften halos. Use a simple garbage mask to remove stray areas, and enable Motion Blur to preserve natural edges during movement. Finish by exporting a file that retains transparency. Set render settings and output module to include RGB plus alpha. Choose a format that supports alpha, like QuickTime ProRes 4444 or a PNG sequence. Make sure the comp background is visible as transparent in the final frame, then render. If you see dark fringes or halos, check premultiplication. Toggle straight versus premult in the output module, or run the Remove Color Matting effect. One tip,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.